بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. Hello friends, today we will start our first or second tutorials in ROS. So we have installed in the first video ROS, and today we will begin in the ROS tutorials. And here we are in the ROS official website, and we are entering ROS Wiki, which includes the ROS tutorials. So here we have installed, and we will begin with the tutorials, and we will begin with installing and configuring our ROS environment. First, we should install ROS, and we have already done that. Second, we will need to manage our environment. So during installation of ROS, we will need to source one of several setup files, or even add sourcing to our shell startup script. So we'll do that by writing this code in our terminal, and this is also required because ROS relies on the notion of combining spaces using the shell environment. So we can open our terminal and write our code. And we can see it's installed correctly, and it was like a check step in order to know our ROS installed correctly. So we can start by writing this code, and you will replace it by the name of your version, and in my case it will be ROS melodic. So it's running well, alhamdulillah, and we will now create a ROS workspace, which we will need in the next tutorials, and it's very important. So this is, as you see, these instructions are for ROS Groovy and later, and which applies for my ROS melodic. If you want other versions which are earlier, you can use ROS build. So in my case it will be Catkin, and we can make directory Catkin workspace source. Okay, and we can open it. I think nice, alhamdulillah. Okay, maybe because I have already made this file, it have made me an error, but it should work with you. So this line of code complies with Python 3 or users who are seeking to achieve Python 3 compatibility, and we will refer to this later if we needed it. Okay, so it says here, if we look in our directory and enter the developer folder, we will see our setup dot bash file. or if you look in our if we look in our current directory, now we have build and developer folder. Inside developer folder you can see that are now several setup dot star sh files. No, in the developer folder, and we have here setup.bash and here setup.zsh and here setup.sh. So I think we are running properly, so we can source a new it will be new to you, but I have already setup.bash file. You will copy this code in order to have this file. We have open Catkin workspace, and it's done. Okay, so in order to make sure our workspace is properly overlaid by the setup script, we can make ROS package environment variable includes directory we are in by this code. I think we are checking that if everything is well, and it's okay. It's the same as here. Of course, this is your ROS version. So we have done this so far in this tutorial, and see you in the next one.